Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Cruze. This bold Cruze has the confidence to get you as far as your imagination can take you. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth streaming audio, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We at Lakeland Toyota know you want a reliable used car. Visit us online anytime at lakelandtoyota.com. Stop in and see us at 2925 Mall Hill Drive in Lakeland, Florida.